let's see the snake game output. Now just go in the folder of Python file in desktop, and now I am just going in the snake game folder. Now just run the snake game .py. So this is my game. Now you can just eat the stars and build your hashes. Let's eat it. How many you can? It shows the score here. Now let's see. I'm just taking the stars and it increase my score. Now just after completing it shows the score you are creating and you are eating the stars. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.
Please give feedback for this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.